Welcome students of class 12 commerce in our accountancy syllabus for class 12. Today my topic is issue of debentures. Dear students, a company can issue debentures for raising long-term borrowing, and the power to issue of debentures should be mentioned in the memorandum of association. Debentures can be issued at par or at the premium. It is worth mentioning here that debenture can be issued at a discount and there are no such restrictions as in case of shares. The reason behind is that debentures do not form part of the capital. However, interest on debenture is a certain debt which can be uh, paid out of capital. Discount on issue of debenture must be shown in the balance sheet of the company under the head miscellaneous expenditure until it is written off completely. The process of issue of debentures is similar to the one of shares. A prospectus stating the terms and conditions of the issue of debentures is prepared and applications are invited. Similar to the case of shares, full amount of debentures may be called on application or in installments. Any failure in the payment may lead to forfeiture of debentures. These forfeited debentures may then be reissued. When the debenture are issued in return of for cash, such amount may be either received in a lump sum or in installments. If the amount to be collected is payable in installments, respective accounts are to be opened like debenture application, debenture allotment, debenture callers accounts, debenture account. This has been explained in this question, which I will explain you later on. And dear students, here we have a simple numerical question regarding issue of debentures. XYZ Limited issued 1 lakh 9% debentures for rupees 100 each. The whole amount was payable along with application money. All the debentures were applied for and allotted. Pass necessary journal entries. First of all, we will make the pro forma of the books of XYZ Limited journal journal pro forma, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit amounts. Bank account debit 1 crore rupees, because having 1 lakh issuance of debentures at the rate of rupees 100 each. 1 lakh into 100 is 1 crore. And it is also given here that all the debentures were applied for and allotted. Applied for and allotted. That means the debenture application and allotment account 1 crore rupees. Bank account 1 crore and debentures application and allotment account 1 crore. Being application and allotment money received for rupees 1 lakh debentures at the rate of rupees 100 each. 1 lakh into 100, 1 crore. And a second entry may be here, debentures application and allotment debit 1 crore to 90% debentures account 1 crore, being application and allotment money transferred to debentures account. This is for transfer to the debentures account, and it is the second entry for this journal. This was simple how we will pass the journal entries of this debentures. And dear students, today we learn how we pass journal entries for issuance of debentures, and tomorrow inshallah we will be back with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.